everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I cut my hair. We talked about this. I didn't want to make it this huge deal of like
getting my hair chopped off vlog.
I had some inspirations behind why I wanted my hair this short. Now, after I got my hair cut, it was really challenging for me to try to do my short hair. It was just really difficult. I mean, it's a lot shorter. I thought it would be fun and useful to try out some of those pictures that I was originally inspired from. First, I'm going to go with Lucy Hale's hairstyle. Pretty much to me just looks like a super deep part. Probably do mine on the left side of my head. And it looks messy, just like she slept on one side of her head, but I'm into it. So we are going to try that out. So to start off, I have a hairbrush that is really kind of disgusting and my straightener. I'm gonna start this off by just parting my hair. Like hers might just be like around the bang, but roughly I'm just gonna do that. I'm actually gonna do it one side at a time, so it looks like her pieces on the bottom are just kind of like curled in. So I'm going to curl in on the bottom just towards my face. After that, I'm just gonna bring down the rest of the hair. Take a look at this photo. Now I'm gonna take these front pieces and kind of like curl them away. So it kind of leaves you with like this messy kind of curl. Just to like random pieces on the top layer. I'm trying to mess up the hair as much as I can, like to make it look like I slept on it or something. I think this is pretty close to the texture of the hair in the picture, but I just need to tease the back now. So on this bottom layer, I'm just gonna again straighten it into I'm going to be adding more of those curls with the straightener. So literally just taking a strand of hair and curling it away from my face. Just like that. So in the picture, this top layer of her hair kind of looks like it's also curled into her face. So on this layer, I would say do one curl back and then maybe one curl forward. And now the closer I get to my face, I'm just going to start taking pieces and curling them forward. I know it seems weird, but honestly it's just going to give you a very textured look. So now I'm just going to take my brush and start teasing the places that I see more volume at. Now that it's super crazy, I'm just gonna run my fingers through it kind of. All you want to achieve for this hairstyle is just a deep part and really messy texture. Okay guys, so the next look that I'm going to attempt is going to be this one. I find that having short hair, it is really freaking difficult to try to pull it up. If I do pull it up, it will only go to about here with like all my hair in it, because if I pull it up any higher, I just have a headband here. It looks like in the picture, it looked like she was wearing a scarf. Using this is going to add texture to your hair, and that's gonna help it with like lifting and volumizing. Start by dry shampooing this like underneath section of my hair. And now I'm just going to start back combing this bottom layer. So, is that happening? Cute. Now that I look insane, I'm just going to take down this second layer. I don't even know what I'm inhaling right now. Tastes weird. Just finding a part that I would like my bangs to stay out at. The rest of this hair, I'm just going to back comb it away. So going that way. Gorgeous. Because you don't want it to be messy and look messy, you want it to look messy in the right way. Now, using my hair tie, I'm just going to take back all of my hair except for my 2 bang pieces. I'm gonna leave those out. Smoothing down the top where I backcombed a lot just because it looks a little frizzy. So if you just take like a side of your brush and just lightly go over those frizzy pieces and tuck them back. From here, it's pretty simple stuff. Just make it into a knot. Scoop it around in like a little loop form and make like a baby bun. Just like that. Now I'm just gonna take my hands and pull out the bun a little. You can see it's volumized and you want it to look pretty even in the volume so you don't look like you slept on one side of your head or something. Now just taking your headband or bandana. It's stuck on my earring. And I'm gonna leave my bangs out just like the girls in the picture. She has some pieces falling out the bottom, like kind of near her ears. So if you even wanna like pull these pieces out on both sides, because symmetry, you're going to want to take those little pieces. I would take them like one at a time. I'm just gonna let it set. So just give yourself like 5 minutes or so to just look like this, embrace your curls. Now I'm just gonna take my brush again and back comb. It's just my favorite thing to do. Kind of give my bangs like a little bit of wispy volume. Here it is on this side of my head. Just super cute, super simple and easy, effortless look. Alright, so for my last look, I have Queen Olivia Culpo. She is my style icon. I'm going to try to achieve those curly curls. So first things first, always part your hair. So I'm going to start by taking small sections and just wrapping them away from my face. This is the second section down. Now I'm going to be letting down this last section of my hair. As per usual, I'm just going to be going in with my hairbrush and backcombing. Looks good. Again, just let it set. If you're taking anything away from these videos, it's basically just to let your hair set before you run your fingers through it. Just gonna resist for like 5 minutes and move on to this side. Okay, so with these last few pieces, I'm going to be curling them towards my face. So the base of the hair just curling forward, taking this bang section of my hair, really focusing on it. Just start backcombing just at the root of the hair. So she has that like bang volume happening without really ruining the curl. And of course you can always go back in and fix those curls that kind of came out, like this one right in front. I want it to be super curly because it's like the front piece.